I'm Thomas Söderholm from Nordic Semiconductor, and we're here in sunny Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress 2013. I'm here today with Rick from North Pole Engineering in the US. And Rick, what do you do?
I'm the Director of Engineering for NPE, and I'm the inventor of our Wasp product, which is a product or a device that bridges between ANT plus devices, which are low power radios used for a lot of sensors, body-worn sensors, those types of products, and it bridges to Wi-Fi. So anything that the ANT sensor receives, the Wi-Fi gets broadcast on Wi-Fi, and then any smartphone or computer or any routable point on the internet can receive that data.
All right, excellent. So what are you showing over here?
So over here we have our portable Wasp unit, which is battery powered. In here we have the ANT radio receiver and also a Wi-Fi receiver transmitter that is contained in this nice unit. It's USB powered for charging, or for continuous operation it will be able to run indefinitely off of that USB plug, or for many hours unplugged. We have the ability for this unit to create a wireless network if you're not in range of an existing infrastructure, or you can choose to join an infrastructure network. So then you can use it in your home, in your health club, in whatever environment you want to use it in. When it's being used mobile, you can use it if you go out on a run to get your data into your phone that is in a case on your arm, or you can use it for biking. If you're with a group of bikers, they all have heart rate monitors and speed sensors and power meters. All of that data for the whole group can be collected and stored in the device and offloaded later, or you can also receive that data from every person in the group can connect to the Wi-Fi network that it creates, and then everyone can see everybody else's data. So you can see the difference between the person in the front of the pack versus the back of the pack for how much power they're generating, and get some interesting statistics.
Alright, so Rick, you talked about the wireless Wasp. Do you have other products that fit into this category as well?
Yes, absolutely. As I showed earlier, we have the wireless version, Wi-Fi capable. We also have an Ethernet version that is designed to plug into an Ethernet network. It is capable of both power over Ethernet, so that's where voltage is supplied along with the data on a standard Cat6 cable, which makes installation into a home or facility very easy, because you don't have to run any extra electrical to run that. If needed, we do have an auxiliary power where you can plug in a wall wart to power the device in addition to the Ethernet. This particular board is designed to go into a standard wall fixture, so it can go into the wall fixture, get a cover plate over top of it, and it disappears discreetly into your environment. Both of them communicate with the same protocol, so you can have one or the other, or a combination of them in your system. And one of the beauties of the way that we've done the protocol is you can just add on devices or bridge products to increase the reach for those ANT radios.
Alright, so Rick, we've seen the Wasp, we've seen your Ethernet device. From the software perspective, what do your customers do?
Yeah, so to make implementation fairly easy, fairly straightforward, we've created both an iOS framework and a .NET framework or API to make it very easy for customers to integrate our sensor solutions into their applications. We are currently finishing up the development of the Android implementation as well, which will be an integrated solution into the Android service that will just be part of the ANT service that's in an Android phone. So it becomes very easy to use these different sensors. And the other thing that we do is there's many ANT Plus profiles that are published, and we process those profiles, or that data, into those profiles, so you get processed data rather rather than having to parse that raw data coming out and receive data that's meaningful to the user, and in a very easy, quick method of receiving that data. You can see an example that we have here. This is a group monitor solution where right now we have 4 of us in the booth area that are wearing heart rate monitors. You can see there's 2 that have gone off to get coffee, and when they return, their data will pop back up on the screen as soon as they get within range of the Wasp receivers. So this is an example that's using heart rate. We also have examples and actual applications for indoor cycling classes that are showing heart rate combined with power and cadence for each user. So you can see here we have 6 up. We do have cases of indoor cycling studios that have over 50 bikes and 50 heart rate monitors. So it's getting the power, cadence, and heart rate off of all of those users simultaneously, using a couple Wasps in the room to be able to receive all of that data and then process it either on an iOS device, or we also have customers that have the implementations in the .NET framework.